What's up, everybody? As a content creator, I'm always looking for ways to improve my content, to improve my audio, to improve my video. So I've been looking for a new mic to level up my audio. I've been doing a lot of research, and what I've decided to invest in was a Sennheiser MKE600 microphone. Now, this microphone is a shotgun microphone, and what you're listening to right now is the Sennheiser MKE600. So I've decided to do this video, do an unboxing, just kind of show you what's in the box, shows you what comes along with the microphone. So let's jump right into it. So what you get in the box is that you get this really cool Sennheiser carrying pouch that you can carry your microphone around in. Of course, you get your instructions. Then what you get is a cold shoe shock mount that you can mount to your DSLR camera. And that's where I have my microphone connected to, is the cold shoe mount on top of my DSLR camera. Also, you get a XLR cable that connects to your DSLR. It's like an XLR on one end of it, then you have like your 3.5 millimeter connection on the other end that goes into your camera. And also you get this the wind foam to kind of help you with exterior noises or to block the wind. So that's what comes in the box. Seems like to be a really great microphone. So that's what you're listening to right now. So let me all know what you think in the comments, what this Sennheiser MKE600 microphone sounds like. If you think it's a go, you think it's a good microphone, just let me know down in the comments. Also, if you're new to the channel and you have not yet done so, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications as well so you'll know when a new video drops. And also, this video is not sponsored by Sennheiser. I purchased this microphone with my own money, with my own funds, so it's not sponsored in any way. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.